Good day to each and everyone. We are the Group 4 reporter and I am the first reporter. I am Riden May Quezon Acero. And our topic is all about the food safety, foodborne illness, and the HACCP system and preventing the foodborne illness. But before the students should be able to first explain what foodborne illness is, classify foodborne illness, explain the danger of foodborne illnesses, explain why young children are at risk for food illnesses, identify some of most important causes of foodborne illness, and lastly, identify key practices for preventing food hazards from contaminating food. So what are the causes of foodborne illness? So the foodborne illness is caused by consuming contaminated food or the beverage. The most diseases are infections caused by a variety of bacteria, viruses, and parasites. So how can we prevent food illness? So of course, we wash our hands. So why we need to study the hazard of food safety? Because it helps us to protect consumer from the rest of foodborne illness, like for example, in biological hazard, bacteria, parasites, fungi, and viruses. The chemical hazards such as the pesticides or the machine's oil. The physical hazards such as the pieces of glass or metal, toothpicks, jewelry, and etc. So, it is very understandable naman that the food become hazardous is by contamination. It is because the presence of unwanted materials such as dust and particles during the manufacturing and transportation time. It includes also the unwanted matter that is found in the product. Like for example, hair, broken glass, dirt from unwashed fork, and vegetables, and etc. The foodborne illness means caused by the ingestion of food containing live bacteria which grow and establish themselves in the human intestinal. So the foodborne intoxication is caused by ingesting food containing toxin formed by bacteria resulted from the bacteria that growth in the food item. Because there are many different causing microbes or pathogens can contaminate foods, so that these are types of foodborne illness. So most of foodborne diseases are infections caused by the variety of bacteria, viruses, and fungi. So example of unsafe foods is just like uncooked foods. It is a common cause by food of poisoning, especially meat, poultry, what else? Fish and eggs that should be cooked thoroughly to kill most type of food poisoning bacteria. Excuse me. So, why we need to study the cause of foodborne illness? Bakit kaya? Dahil itong illness is preventable and underreported public health probably. So this illness also contributes significantly to the cost of health care. They also prevent the major challenge to a certain groups of people. So, ano kaya ang mga symptoms ng foodborne illness? So, nausea means pagduduwal or kasukaon. Vomiting means sumusuka. Abdominal cramps refers to the pain that is perceived kahit saan sa ating abdominal area o ito ay sakit ng tiyan. Why is it important to know about foodborne illness? These symptoms of foodborne illness is importante. It is because most people have been affected by what commonly known as the food poisoning at some point. So, understanding the cause of foodborne illnesses is an important steps to help to prevent them. Kaya nga may kasabihang prevention is better than cure. So, the end of my report. Thank you very much and God bless you all.